Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and now I'm going to discuss the same topics, equation, its application on sequences. So the topic is called sequences, and directly I'm going to solve one of the exam questions. Uh, is 2021, yeah? So CSSE 2021, and the question is says here the sequence A, sequence B, and it says sum of sequence A and sequence B, and it says sequence A is 5, 8, 11, yeah, and sequence B is 100, 98, and 96, and its sums is 105, 106, and 107. This is the sequence given, yeah. And now is the examiner say what? So what would be the 10 terms of the sequence? Okay, so 10th term, 10 term in sequence A. So what is the 10th term for the sequence A? So first thing you need to find out how we make the n terms of formula. Look at this one. Okay, so it's going to be add 3, yeah. So the formula for this one, I'm going to make it very simple, 3n, and what number going to add it to, add or subtract to get the first term, which is 5. So 5 take away 3, which is 2, so I can write here plus 2. So I can verify as well. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, yeah. So it means the sequence A formula is 3n plus 1. Very simple, the 10th term. So 3n, it means substitute 10 plus 2. So the answer is 3 times 10 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 32, yeah. And now B part, in what term would sequence A reach 101? Okay, so if output, if results is 101, okay, so what is the term basically, in what term, okay, the value equal to 101? So what term sequence A reach 101? So very simple, we know that the sequence A formula, so you need to write here what, 3n plus 2 equal to 101. And look at this one, same as this is, you can see the concept of equation, the letter U using n instead of x, y, z. So any letter can be used, okay, A to Z, yeah. So minus 2, minus 2, so it means 99, 3n divide by 3, so it means your n will be 33. So this is part B answer, yeah. So part B answer is n equal to 33. Okay. Now I'm moving part C. Is part C, it says what term would sequence A equal sequence B? So in what term the both sequence A and sequence B equal each other, yeah. So their value will be same, yeah. At what term? So we already know this formula for the sequence A. We need to find out the formula for the sequence B. Look at this one is going to be, look at this one. So 100, 298 is minus 2, minus 2. So very simple, you need to first write minus 2 and then n. And see here, the first term is 100. So what number are we going to add or subtract to get the 100, yeah? So it is minus 2 if I put here plus 102. So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, 1 and 102. So 102 take away 2, which is equal to 100. Yeah. So it means your formula for the sequence B is minus 2n plus 102. So I can write, excuse me, yeah. So 3n plus 2 equal to minus 2n plus 102. So look at this one, 3n plus 2. So if a minus 2, so I'm going to do plus 2n. So plus 2n. So it means it's going to be 5n plus 2 equal to 2n minus and plus 2n cancel equal to 102. And now you need to subtract minus 2 both sides. Yeah. So you will get 5n equal to 100 and you divide by 5 both sides. So it means 5 times 2 is 10. So n equal to 20, okay, where both sequence will be each other, okay, their number will come same, okay, at the terms n, okay. So it says what term the sequence A equals sequence B, okay. So in sequence A and B, okay, equal on the term number 20. Yeah. And now is the last part. It's very simple, very easy. Yeah. So it looks difficult, but it's very easy. Yeah. Look at D. At what would term would the sum sequence A and sequence B equal? 1000. Okay. So sum of sequence A and B equal to 1000. Okay. So sum of sequence A and B is given here. Look at this one. The difference is what? Yeah. So the difference is 1. So plus 1 plus 1. Yeah. So I can simply write here what? I can write simply n plus what number I'm going to put here to get 105. So 105 take away 1, 104. So this is the formula for the sum of the sequence A and B. So now we can solve n plus 104. So it says what would be the sum of the sequence A and B equal 1000. So equal to 1000. Very simple. Subtract both sides 104. So it means the n equal to 896. So this is the application of basically equation. Okay, so you can work out easily. Yeah. So if you know the concept of equation. So that's it for today. Yeah. If you like this video, please thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.